For sure. So we're here at 41 Tusslewood Heights. I'm just going to flip you around so you can see the outside of the home. So gorgeous curb appeal. Lots of mature trees at this home, so it's really, really nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is a bungalow. It's just over 2,100 square feet above grade.
Okay.
Built in 2003, and we're listed at $899. So entering the home, there's a nice, spacious entrance that opens up
So
right
is it
into
actually
the
like a double door entrance there?
Yeah, so there's the double French doors here that you can close. It's kind of like that.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's actually kind of has like a like an actual entryway.
Yeah, that you can close
Very
off.
cool. Okay,
So
very nice.
before
I
I
didn't see
walk
that.
you, before I walk you through the whole house, I wanted to go into the kitchen because I've spent some time in here and it's my favorite feature of the home.
Oh, very cool.
So gorgeous kitchen, lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space, stainless steel appliances, and the gas stove.
So this house was built in 2003, I believe. Is that what you have too?
Yeah, 2003.
Okay. Very cool.
And it's a custom built bungalow.
And the windows. Oh my goodness.
I know, lots of windows, lots of natural light in here.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
So I'll take you back to the front door. I just had to point that out.
Yeah, you just jumped right to the goods. Come on.
I did. So coming in the front entrance, we'll go to the right first. So we have a nice office space in here, or could be turned into a third bedroom on the main, depending on what your family situation is.
And even the details in the ceiling, like if you go back, like just all the little things that are done in this space.
Yeah, there's custom lighting up there. It's gorgeous home.
Yeah. So are these about 9 or 10 foot ceilings?
Yeah, about 10 foot. And then in the living area, which I'll show you, I think it's about 17 feet for height.
At the height. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So half bath in there. Coming back out. So to your left of the entrance is a nice formal dining area with coffered ceilings.
That's gorgeous.
And doors that lead out onto the front veranda or deck.
Oh, that goes to the front of the house.
Yeah, right to the front step.
So you could have guests come over and they could just sit right down for dinner.
Yeah, they can come right into the table.
It's amazing. Oh, it's beautiful. And what's through the door? Does that go into kind of the laundry kind of entrance, back entrance?
Yeah, I'll take you over there in just a second.
That way. Okay, cool.
So then we're walking into the living area. So here's where I'm talking about the ceiling height. It's just so tall.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then the custom lighting there as well.
Kind of all the way around.
And then off the living space is the master.
Okay, cool. And even just that whole mantle area is beautiful too, back in the living room there. And yeah, these windows, I love the design in them.
And so there's doors that. Oops, go ahead.
I was gonna say I feel like it was ahead of its time. It feels more modern than 2003. Is all I was gonna say.
It does. It does.
Yeah.
So the doors here go out to the deck from the master, and this home overlooks a little ravine, so very, very nice. Lots of mature trees back there. I'll take you out when we back out, but here's a door to a little Juliet balcony off the master. And then heading into the ensuite. Great size soaker tub with the double sinks.
And is there looks again like there's a lot of sunlight in that room?
Lots of sunlight. So there's actually a skylight here.
Ah, beautiful. Cool.
Mm-hmm. And then a very spacious steam shower. heading back out of the master, as you can see, it looks out into the living space.
So then again, for those that are watching, this is in Tuscany, a custom-built bungalow, $899, just came on the market this past week, I believe, in the last couple days, and it's a 2,100 square foot bungalow, so it's a really large size, and like you just said, you can see the trees out the back there backing onto this gorgeous ravine, and this time of year, mwah, super good, amazing.
It's beautiful out here.
Yeah, it's just, you just kind of want to get a book and sit.
And lots of space to do that.
Lots of space to do that, exactly. Very cool. Yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, why don't we keep on giving the tour. Oh, because then this goes behind the dining room. Is that what that does?
Yeah, so going behind the kitchen, lead into a little butler's pantry area. And that's where you've seen the double doors off that formal dining area.
Oh, very cool.
It leads in here and walking through to the laundry. That's the door to the garage. And then heading up these stairs, very cool feature of this home. There's a nice private bedroom up here with its own 4-piece bathroom. Again, lots of natural light in here.
So this is above the garage? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's almost, could be another bedroom, could be an office, could be a lot of different things. Very cool. So maybe as you're heading down, do you want to tell us a little bit about where in Tuscany this is? Kind of how you got to it, a little bit about Tuscany for those that don't know.
Yeah, so Tusslewood is like an estate area in Tuscany. It's gorgeous driving in here. Like I mentioned before, lots of big mature trees. Just beautiful in here. It backs onto the ravine. There's lots of walking paths around here. Quiet neighborhood. So back at the main entrance, here's the spiral staircase going down into the basement.
And the details and the railing and all that too. Just very, very thought through when it was built.
They did an amazing job on this home.
Yeah.
So to the left of the stairs, you have a nice wet bar. Gas fireplace. And then your doors that take you out to the backyard.
Very cool. So does the yard just kind of go, it all tears down.
It does, yeah. It feels like a park back here. It's amazing.
It's like a little secret garden.
It is.
That's amazing. Yeah, the landscaping that has gone into this space. So then right from the edge there, beyond that, that's kind of where the lot is, and then it goes into the ravine there?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And then the back of the home.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very cool. Very, very good.
So heading back in now. There's 2 additional bedrooms down here.
Okay.
Both really good size. Bathroom. Second bedroom. And as we head down the hallway to the left, there is a movie room.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So good. So there's 2 bedrooms, this room, and then the whole open area as well downstairs.
Yeah. Very spacious home.
Yeah, it's great. That's the crazy thing with bungalows is what your square footage is upstairs is typically in the basement, where 2-story homes, you're kind of cut down because of the footprint of the house. And so when you see a bungalow like this that is 2,000 plus, like 2,100 square feet, um, they're very large homes. And this one is gorgeous. And those windows, I mean, off of that main floor looking onto the ravine are just incredible.
It's just beautiful. It's like a whole wall of windows, so lots and lots of light.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. Very cool. Was there anything else you wanted to add that you want to let viewers know on this place?
Yeah, I think just going over how well maintained this house has been kept. It's immaculate inside, lovely community. You know, you can't get much better than that backyard. And then just the space for entertaining is phenomenal.
Yeah, absolutely. No, it's beautiful. Cool. Well, thank you again, Amanda. And again, for everyone watching, we are currently at 41 Tusslewood Heights Northwest. This is a custom bungalow for $899. Just came on the market. 2,100 square feet, built in, I believe it was 2003.
Yep.
And yeah, a double garage up front, backing onto a ravine. If you want to see this home, let us know. But this has been eye-opening and amazing. So thank you for taking this time, Amanda.
Oh, thank you.